Hello there and welcome to the Card Grotto. Today I've got the new release from Clearly Besotted to share with you. All of these items will be available to purchase today. That's the 5th of June 2021 at 8 PM British Summer Time. You can purchase them from the Clearly Besotted shop, which is based in the UK, Simon Says Stamp, which is based in the US, Card Nouveau, which is in Belgium, Art Creatu, I'm not 100% sure how that's pronounced, I do apologise, based in Spain, and then Cloud9 Crafts in the Netherlands. And I will have links to all of those shops down below in case you want to check them out. So as I usually do, I'm going to share the new release with you and also the samples that I have made as a design team member. So first of all, this is the Fairground Friends set. Such a fun set. You've got the Fairground image that you can use as a background or as a focal point. And then you've got all of these cute little critters. So you've got like the elephants here, the one with the candy floss and the popcorn, the little puppy there with the kind of animal, balloon animal, and then you've got the other dog there with a hot dog, and then the two bears there, one holding a balloon and the other one with the candy floss as well. We call it candy floss here in the UK. I believe it's called cotton candy in other places, but really fun set. Some great sentiments, things like "you're so sweet," have lots of fun on your birthday, enjoy. So I think it's really great for lots of different occasions. This is the card that I made using that set. I stamped out the Fairground image and then I masked that off. It did take me some time to cut out all of the masks, I have to be honest. I hope it was worth it in the end. And then I did some distress inking in the background, removed the masks and then coloured everything with Copic markers and then stamped out the cute little bear there on a separate piece of cardstock, coloured him with Copic markers and fussy cut him out with scissors. And then I stamped out the sentiment next to that. Next up is the I Dig You set, really great for gardeners in particular. So you've got the gardening scene down here with all the vegetables growing in the soil, and then you've got all of these adorable critters that are doing the gardening. You've got one with like a watering can here with the plant pot and the kind of fork and the spade, really cute. Sort of like the hose there as well, and then you've got the water that can come out of the watering can, which is really cute. I didn't use it on my card and I'm kind of regretting that I didn't, which I'll share in a little while, but such a cute set. Again, I think perfect for lots of different occasions. You've got things like "I'm really rooting for you," "you grow girl, good luck," so like encouragement cards, and then things like you've got like "you're retired" here. A lot of people do gardening after retiring, so that would be like a fun kind of set to send to someone that's retiring as well, but just a really great all-round set. And so this is the card that I made using that set. Stamped out the koala here with his little watering can. As I say, I think it would look quite good if I did have the water coming out of it, because it kind of looked like the flowers are growing in the background, and he's done such a good job because as you can see they're really big in comparison to the size of the koala, so he's done such a good job watering those flowers. Or he or she. The sentiment I did, "you grow girl, good luck," because I thought it kind of made sense with the size of the flowers and things like that. And those flowers are from the next set that I'm going to share with you. So this is the Flower Friends editions. There is a Flower Friends on its own, which I'm going to share with you in a moment. But this is the edition set, and it's just a really lovely image which you can use on its own as a focal point. Maybe just with like a happy birthday sentiment would look really nice. Or with any different critters, like I used the koala there, but any critters I think would work really nicely with this set as well. And you've got the sentiments "to my fabulous friends." You can mix and match those sentiments. Obviously you can use any other sentiment you wanted to as well. Just a really beautiful image. I really enjoyed colouring in these flowers. So this is the Flower Friends set that works perfectly with the Flower Friends editions. So you've got the same flowers that the hippos are holding in that edition set, but you can definitely use both of these sets separately like I did as well. So you've got all of these cute hippos. I love these hippos. I just find them adorable. And I really love that they're all holding lots of different flowers. You've got these really cute little bees here as well. They are just absolutely adorable. And some fun sentiments again, things like "thanks a bunch," "I think you're fabulous," "you are blooming wonderful," and you get all of the little kind of extra sentiments as well that work so well with lots of different sets. I do like that Clearly Besotted do make use of all of the little spaces and add in lots of different extra kind of sentiments and little images and things like that as well. So really fun set. This is the card that I made using that set. I kept it very simple, just masked off the edges, did some distress inking in the background, added a bit of splatter with some gouache, and then stamped out the little hippo there in the 2Bs, coloured that with Copic markers. I did share that on my Instagram, so a few of you might have seen it already if you follow me over on Instagram, but just such a cute image. I think he's absolutely adorable. And then stamped out the sentiment there at the bottom. Next up is Budgie Plans. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to use it this month. I completely ran out of time, but it's absolutely adorable again. So you've got all of these really cute little budgies. I think they would look so good in lots of different colours. I tend to, you know, like go for yellows and things like that, but I think they would look really good in blue or just any colour really, to be honest with you. I think they're just really cute. So you've got lots of different ones in doing different activities. So you've got like the gym one there, which is just so funny, like with the sweat pouring off of him. The little Paulie one there, the one with the party hat, you've got a little Easter egg there, the little one with the summer hat with her ice cream, just so cute, the one we're holding the heart. Really fun for lots of different occasions. You could put them in your planner for sort of planning things out and stuff like that as well. Just a fun set. Again, lots of different little sentiments like chirp, hi, hey, yummy, it's your birthday, your tweet. I'm really looking forward to using this when I do get some extra time. Next up is the Balloon Bunch Bugs set. If you followed Clearly Besotted for a while, you know that they do have a collection of these sets. They're just so fun. You've got the critters and then you've got the balloons that can be like attached to the critters so that the critters are flying in the sky. I didn't use that for my card. I do definitely think, especially with this set, you can use them separately if you wanted to. This balloon here, you could probably actually use just as a flower on its own, although you've got kind of like the little sort of extra bits for the balloon strings. I think that they kind of look just like, you know, like little bits, like kind of not leaves on a flower, but you know, on the stem. So I think you could probably use that separately, and then you've got the other balloons, but obviously they work perfectly as balloons as well. But I do like that these sets work in lots of different ways. And then you've got all of these cute little bugs. You've got like the bee there and the butterfly, the ladybird or the ladybug, the snail and the frog, just so fun. And then you've got this really beautiful pond image here as well. Again, can be used with them or used separately. Lots of different ways that you can use this set. Some fun sentiments again, things like take the weight off your wings, relax, take a load off, fly high, will you be mine? Just again, another really fun set. And so this is the card that I made using that set. Like I said, I didn't actually use the balloons at all. I think that this works really nicely without the balloons, but again, I think would work really nicely with them as well. So I have the little frog there on the kind of pond bank. I did originally put him on top of the lily pad, which I think would work really nicely, but I just found that it kind of balanced out a little bit better with the bee in the sky, having him on the side. But they do work on top of the sort of lily pad there as well. The sentiment there is from the A Little Sentimental set, so I stamped that out, coloured it with Copic markers. I did some kind of dots for the sky. I didn't want to kind of go overboard with the colouring. I think it works quite nicely just being quite plain, kind of like a little kind of storybook illustration type thing. And then the little bee there, he's absolutely adorable, and the cute little frog with his kind of funny expression on his face. And last but not least are two sets, I Pick You and Ipu Edition. So this is the I Pick You. There's all of these wonderful fruit barrels, and then you've got all of these critters holding the fruits as well. So you've got like the strawberry there, the pear, the grapes, the bananas, the pineapple and the apple. And then again, some fun kind of punny sentiments to go along with them. Things like thank you very much, love you very much, I miss you very much, I think you're perfect, you're very sweet, hug me, I pick you, you're the apple of my eye, I'm very grateful for you, we're a perfect pair. Just again, a fun set for lots of different occasions. And then there is the I Pick You editions, which is just some extra kind of little critters here. So you've got the different critters, one holding like the jam, one eating the strawberry with the like a punnet of strawberries and the cart of apples. And then you've got little strawberry plants, some extra strawberries and a little pie there. And again, some sentiments that you can kind of mix and match, sort of obviously between all of the different sentiments. And then for my card, I kept it very, very simple indeed. I just did some distress inking in the background with the Around About stencil, and then I just stamped out the little strawberries there and the little bear holding the strawberry, coloured those with Copic markers and fussy cut them out and just added them on top with kind of like a little grass scene, and then just stamped out the sentiment there at the top. So that was a look at the June 2021 release from Clearly Besotted. I would love to hear your thoughts on it. The releases are always very cute, but I think this month is particularly quite fun as well. Like, their sets are quite fun and can be used for lots of different occasions. So I would love to hear your thoughts if you're happy to leave me a comment. Links to all of the products that I shared will be in the description bar on YouTube and also over on my blog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.